this fruit nation is very, very best.
I like it very much, very nice, very white and very tasty.
This one is the best juice. It's from Pakistan.
Wow.
Perfect. Wallah. Pakistani products I've tried so far in this exhibition.
Coconut juice, and it's really like a fresh juice, so I really recommend it. It's amazing.
I drink Lush mango fruit. It was really delicious.
You take me in paradise. Thank you so much.
Fruit Nation, Beria in Pakistan, nectar, it's great.
Fruit Nation pasta is delicious.
Fruit Nation is the best.
Be Pakistani, buy Pakistani. Shukriya.